So hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well after that blustery weekend. 95 miles per hour winds taking everybody's fences down, including mine. But you join me today from the National Arboretum here in Burton on Trent. But no better place than to start in front of this gun here. Check this out, off a warship. But come with me guys and enjoy this vlog. So I'm just going to make my way into the reception area and get myself in here, the National Memorial Arboretum. I'll give you a little bit more history as of when we go around there. Let's check this out. Nice lights on the trees there. So here we go, let's get ourselves into the reception area. Very Christmassy. So guys, I've got myself checked in to the National Memorial Arboretum. I'm just going to have a little look around here. There's a few little mock-up areas in here of the war and stuff, so I'll show you this.
Absolutely. And then obviously in the stockings.
So guys, this is 1944 at Christmas. A mock-up of how Christmas would have been in 1944. You see the streamers hanging down and the stockings. Look at that, Santa. Yeah, but this is 1944 at Christmas. Rations were slightly increased during the Christmas of 1944. Mock goose was actually potato casserole. Even the baby's plate there, look. But does anybody remember Christmas 1944? Leave a comment. How many of you are watching? Who's seen Christmas in 1944?
God willing, knowledge and liberation and triumph will be complete.
So guys, that was the first part that you come to when you come into the National Memorial Arboretum. A mock-up of an old house and a bunker and a few other things. But I will give you a little bit of history on this place. National Memorial Arboretum officially opened in 2001 by Her Royal Highness Duchess of Kent. A national moment to those who lost their lives on duty or as an act of terrorism since the Second World War. But yeah, it's fairly big around here. There's lots to see, lots outside. So I'm going to make my way around and show you. So in this part they've got lots of interactive stuff which you can see. telling you some history. Let's have a listen, see if we can hear this. Yeah. Don't know if you can hear that. Put it to the mic. But yeah, there's lots of interactive stuff around here. I remember this last time. My daughter was jumping up and down. It's pretty cool, this is. Look. So yeah, they have got little things for the kids to do as well if you do bring your kids around here. But this building's pretty cool here. Lots of interactive stuff, lots of history. I'm going to be making my way outside in a minute, making my way around the grounds. And I'll show you outside. Hopefully the rain holds off today, after all that storm we've had. But yeah, I'm making my way back through here. And I'm going to make my way outside. Just check out the sheer scale of this. This is how big it is here. And this is where we currently are, standing in this courtyard bit. But you can see the grounds. There's a lot of ground here to cover. And I'll be making my way up there in this inner circle in a bit. Yeah, but there's lots to see here and do. So I'm going to make my way around and we'll go and check it out. So guys, just check out the ground this sits on. Just look how big it is. Don't forget, this is a War Memorial Arboretum here. Check out this polar bear, I think. But there's so much history around here. I'm going to see how much ground I can cover and hopefully the rain holds off today. So guys, just check out the rain that we've had here from all the storm we had over the weekend. Flooded all this area here. And all the area at the back of me. Flooded. So let's make our way up these steps and get into this inner circle. So all this memorial that you see here is dedicated to the men and women who lost their lives in the Second World War. But this is cool. If you stand up there, I've done a vlog before, and somebody stands up here, the sound bounces all the way around and you can hear it. Look at this. Half of it's flooded. Look at this. Must have had some rain here. Look at this. Half of the museum's flooded. We had winds up to 95 miles per hour. It was pretty bad. Look at that. That's pretty high over there. You can see how far up it's come. It's like a pool. So guys, did you see that? Half of it here is flooded out. That's how bad it's been, the weather over the weekend. But I've got to try and navigate my way around, away from all the flooding. Yeah, I need one of these golf carts, I think. Take me round. But this is quite a vast area around here. It's quite big. And there is like a little train that operates as well. And you can have guided tours, and they tell you all the history on it and everything. It is pretty good around here. I came here in the summertime and I've done a little vlog on it then. I thought I'd get out today, sick of being in after the storm, and come check it out. But yeah, I'll show you what I can basically. The Royal Dragon Guards. The King's Royal Hussars. Royal Hussars, Prince of Wales own. 14th and 20th King's Hussars. There is lots to see around here, lots of history, and the staff are always on hand to tell you a little bit more and the history of the different things. Make our way over to this lion, see what this is about. The Duke of Lancaster's Regiment, King's Lancashire and Border. Big lion. Let's have a look. This memorial was unveiled by H.M. Queen Elizabeth II, the Duke of Lancaster Regiment, on 17th of May 2016. Nice memorial, that. So I'm making my way along this path. Going to see a bit of the memorial up here. Different things. As I did say in the intro, this opened in 2001 by Her Royal Highness Duchess of Kent. But yeah, we're going to make our way up here. Yeah, I think they have a lights trail at night that you can go in. So I bet this looks really cool at night, this. Can you imagine all this lighted up at night and going under it? Yeah, that'll be nice at night coming under here. It is pretty windy today, guys, so you've got to excuse the noise in the background. Yeah, I bet this is amazing at night because they've got all lights along here as well. That wind's blowing me along like Blackpool. Back at Blackpool seafront. But you can see the ground that it's in. It's huge. The Royal Air Forces Association Remembrance Garden. We will remember them. Royal Air Force Memorial Garden. Let's check this out. This looks pretty good. That's a nice statue, eh? So here it is, the Royal Air Force Remembrance Garden. It's nice, that is. So I'm making my way down this path to the next part of the museum. I'll tell you what, it's pretty cold today with that wind. It has eased off to the weekend, but it's still a bit of a blustery breeze. And it cuts right through you, like Blackpool rail front. But I'll come and check out this part. Looks like there's a little seating area here. This must be for when they have the event on the night time. Beer as well. Right, on it. So I think there is an event that's going on at the moment at night time, which you can pre-book online, and it's got all the light show walking around here. And this is obviously what they open up at night time here for the event. Vintage burger, waffle. That's got to be the beer there. Stone baked pizza. But I can't make my way over that bit all over there because that's the bit that's all flooded. So I'm just going to make my way along this path here. Last time I come, I didn't come this far up here. So I haven't seen up here myself. But this is brilliant at night time. They've got all the lights there. Little play park as well for the kids, this one, and now there's another one as well. So I do enjoy a walk around here. Very peaceful. See what else we come to. Here's another tunnel, they'll have the lights on at night time. Another memorial. Try and leave this world a little bit better than you found it. Very true. See which way we're going to go now. Prison Officers Association. Where's this going to lead me to? Yes, I've just remembered about this, guys. The Stickman Trail for the little ones if you bring them. Yeah, so you can do a trial of the Stickman around here. My little one would love that. Let's go and check this out. Don't know what this is. Some lights on the top. I think this is just part of the Stickman Trail, to be honest. I think all this area here is the Stickman Trail. So guys, they do quite a lot of things around here for the kids as well. So I came in the summertime and it was brilliant. My daughter, who's 5, she really enjoyed it around here. So they've got 2 play parks and they've got this Stickman Trail as well. But we never came as far as this last time, the Stickman Trail. Well, next time I come, as a family, I'm going to do that. But I'm hoping this will lead me round in a big circle because I'm just making my way along this path. So guys, I'm quite impressed with what they do around here. Quite a lot for the kids as well. 2 play parks and the Stickman Trail. You can't go wrong, just £4 parking per car. That's it. But you can imagine in the summer you can have a picnic here and things. And I think we found the Stickman anyway. Here he is. Make my way over here actually to see what's down here. You can imagine it here, it's lovely in the summer. It's quite a lot of food trucks as well and stuff like that. What's this here? I think this is still part of the trail, but I'm going to make my way across here. Big anchor here from RFA Sir Percival. Yeah, look at this. Big anchor. That's one big anchor. See what they do at night as well here. Toasted marshmallows, look. I love to come here at night. Tetley's teas, hot chocolate and toasted marshmallows. Look at this old vehicle. When I was a kid, I used to collect Tetley, the mugs and stuff like that with my nan. Just go around the back of it. Tetley teas estimate 1837. It's cool, that is. Look at the reg, T42. It's well nice, that is, well kept. So I'll make my way to the next part of the museum. I'm going to show you this here. Metal, that is. Yeah, look. It's amazing how they make these. Look at that. All made out of metal. We've got some really good memorials around here. The boat over there. Let's go and check that out. I think that's made out of stone. You can have a look at that. I think I'll zoom in on that a bit. Yeah, look. About made out of marble or stone. So much to see around here. Really takes you a whole day, really, to see everything. I'm going to make my way over there. There's like a gun. I think that's off a ship over there. A gun thing. Defensively equipped merchant ships. And a gun turret, look. Look at that. Look at that for a gun. So this would have been off a ship. So look at that. Imagine being on there shooting out at sea. This memorial to those who served with the DEMS Gunners is maintained by members of Lichfield District Explorer Scout Unit. Yeah, look, that's where you'd have sat in here, look at that. Check that out. It's cool, that is. That wouldn't be too comfortable, would it, even with that on, look. See that? Wooden. Look at that. It's amazing to see that up close like that. You'd have to be slim now, wouldn't you, to sit in there? Slow down on the pies. So what you see in front of you is the Naval Service Memorial for those who have served today and will serve tomorrow. At the going down of the sun, we will remember them. That's glass panels there, all along there. Them are glass panels. Still a windy one today, blowing me long round here. But I'm determined to keep going. Look at that. Pretty cool, that is. So this memorial was unveiled by survivors and commemorates. So guys, if you do come around here, you can go on one of these if you wanted to. The land train tours runs regularly throughout the day. And these are little trains, look, which will take you on a tour around the Arboretum. This is the other little park for the kids. Century Play Garden. Well, I'm just walking around, seeing what I come to. There's just so much to see around here. go check out what's in here. This looks pretty good. Unless it's locked off. Might be, don't know. No, we'll have a little pan around here. So yeah, this is the train you can take the tours on. Not sure how much it is. This memorial was unveiled by the HRH, the Duke of Gloucester KGGCVO, on the 3rd of September 2021, and it is a National Miners Memorial. Memorial for the miners, that's pretty good. The Fire and Rescue Service Memorial. So I'm just making my way back to the main complex, which is all here. So all this courtyard here as well, this is all the main complex. It is lovely here in the summer when everybody's sitting out, enjoying a coffee and having a bite to eat. So that was a little look at the chapel as well inside. Here's Heroes Square, the courtyard that I was on about. So guys, I'm going to make my way back inside here, into the main building. Have a little look in the gift shop, and I'll show you this cafe as well. So guys, here's a little look inside the gift shop. Lots of plush teddies for the kids. Souvenirs. Some nice gifts in here, very well presented as well. But if you look over there, that's the main reception area as you come in. So guys, that was my visit to the National Memorial Arboretum here in Burton on Trent. That opened in 2001. I've had an absolutely fantastic day. The staff are all very friendly, know their history, always willing to help. But yeah, I'd give them a great review, fantastic. And only £4 parking, you can't go wrong. That's all you have to pay, £4 for your parking. Hope you enjoyed the vlog guys, consider subscribing and liking. Catch you later guys.